Very good evening to you and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. CEO of the GMMB Group, Keith Duncan, has outlined a growth plan for the company, including further overseas expansion and targeting entrepreneurs. Mr. Duncan made the disclosure in an interview with TVJ News. Hendrix reports.
25 years into its operation, JMMB in 3 countries, realizing the vision of being a regional integrated financial company.
We have completed that journey in the main.
The aim now is to settle down.
So we're looking to expand our market presence, share and presence, and solidify the market dominance. And we're going to scale these startups, these new startups that we have, we're going to build them out.
Those startups are chiefly in the Dominican Republic, but settling down there does not mean the JMMB Group has curbed its ambition to expand.
In moving forward, we have to look down the line. And we have asked Mr. Gilmer, our country manager, to take on a new role of sorts in terms of looking into Central America.
While it looks to grow in Central America, in Trinidad and Tobago, the economic situation is posing a challenge. But in that, Mr. Duncan says, JMMB sees opportunities.
In this environment where there will be fiscal deficits, the government will have to issue debt. Right? We aren't there because we are fixed income players. That's what we do.
In Jamaica, the growth push is slightly different.
This year in 17-18, we're going to launch something around SMEs to really see how we can really work with our SMEs.
That is to tap into the potential for giving loans to this sector. Currently, only 27% of small and medium-sized enterprises has loans with regulated financial entities. 70% of employed Jamaicans work in these entities.
It is about partnership, it's about moving into the segment, and it's a major segment, it's a major investment. You cannot make them big money from if you book a $100 million loan or a $200 million loan, but if you book a $3 million loan and a $5 million loan, over time and you build lifetime customer value through that business life cycle, you have a customer for life.
For the Business Day, I am Hendrix.
Mayberry Investment says Burgess shareholders should reject the offer being made to them by Trinidad-based Answer Coatings. The investment based is its recommendation on its own assessment, which shows the $10.88 Answer Coatings is offering for the shares is well below the current and medium-term projected value of the stock. Burgess shares are currently worth $11.23, with projections it could be valued $15 in the next 12 months. Mayberry's position is in sharp contrast to that of Burgess directors, who told shareholders to accept the offer, which closes on October 9. Scotia Investments is the lead broker for the shares on behalf of Answer Coatings. The Bank of Jamaica is to introduce midday foreign exchange rates starting Monday. The rates are being introduced as promised earlier this year and are to be published at 1 p.m. each day. The rates will be published for the US and Canadian dollars, the British pound and the euros. It is part of the central bank's push to modernize Jamaica's foreign exchange market, and the rates will be used to settle purchases made by the Bank of Jamaica instead of the previous day's rate, which is now used. And the Jamaican dollar made marginal gains against the US currency today, pushing the value of the greenback down to $130.99. The Canadian dollar is selling for $107.09. The pound sterling is going for $177.80, while the euro is selling for $158.92. And trading on the Jamaica Stock Exchange ended today with the JC Index down more than 3,164 points, while the Junior Market Index gained 3. The winners of the day included 1834 Investments, Express Catering, the JMMB Group, Lasco Financial, Panjam, and Supreme Ventures. On the losing end were 138 Student Living, Cargo Handlers, Honeybun, Main Event Entertainment, the NCB Financial Group, the Sagicor Group, and Seprod. And that's the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Good evening.